Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akbar, and today I will gonna show my summary about a script about a language testing. Before the main topic, we're gonna know what is this testing. Testing is an activity whose main purpose is to convey, like, easily to the tester how well they can taste, know, or can do something. Language testing is the practice and the study of evaluating the proficiency of individual in using a particular language effectively. And language testing is the activity of developing and using language tests, such as psychometric activity. Language testing traditional was more concerned with the production, development, and analysis of tests. Recent critical and ethical approaches to language testing have placed more emphasis on the use of language tests and the purpose of language and to discriminate that person ability from that of other. Now we're gonna talk about teaching and testing. The both of testing and teaching are so closely interrelated, or the relationship between them is apart. And the test is geared to the teaching that has taken place, like whereas the latter case, the teaching is often geared to the past. And we're gonna talk about function of testing. It's like a device to reinforce learning and to motivate the student as a mean of assessing the student's performs in the language, as information tools from the teacher to know about where the students are at the moment to help decide what to teach next. As information for students to find about what they know, so that they also have an awareness of what they need to learn or review. And next we're gonna talk about effect of testing. Is the test will cause harmful backwards in if the test content and the testing technique are at a variance with objective of the course. It will have beneficial backwards if the result of the test given an immediate effect on teaching. The syllabus was redesigned, new books were closed, classes were conducted and differently. And testing and assessment is like two types of assessment. Is first, like formative. Formative is assessment with the purpose to check on student progress or to see how far they have mastered what should they learn. And next is gonna summative. Summative is used at the end of the term, semester or year in order to measure what has been achieved by groups or individuals. And next is types of tests. Proficiency tests are designed to measure people's ability in language and regardless any training they may have in that language. And next is achievement test. The purpose is being able to establish how successful individual students, group or students and the cause in achieving the objective. Diagnostic test is used to identify learners' strength and weakness. It's intended primarily to ascertain what learning still needs to take place. And next is placement test. It's like intended to provide information that will help to place students at the stage of the teaching program most appropriate to their abilities. A direct and indirect test, it's said to be direct when it requires the candidate to perform precisely that skill that we wish to measure. And for standard or language proficiency test is the TOEFL. And next is the Michigan English Language Assessment, or we can MELAT, and the International English Language Testing System, IELTS. And next is the test of English for international communication, we can say TOEIC. Maybe that's my summary about language testing. I'm sorry if I have missed it, and thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.